Kalau dia ni 2 kali naik tangga. So, mak,
Dia ni ada pergi ladang teh
dandang apa wak?
Ha? Ladang
Ladang apa?
teh nak pergi potong
Teh,
teh, daun teh.
teh. Kita dah sampai naik tangga 2 kali naik. Yalah mak. Sekarang dah sampai nak apa? Dekat Boh. Ha? Boh.
Saya banyak tapi
Boleh, cium.
asal tangan boleh tengok.
Acik dia ni nak pergi ladang. Nak pergi ambil daun teh, nak proses. Hilang teh.
Ni.
Ha?
Betul. Kita bising. Okey.
Temperatures will adversely affect the quality of the tea. Hence, the level of skill is principally the same machines to produce tea as it used when it first opened in the 1930s. They are still one of the best to manufacture tea. At the same time, its very factory is completely contemporary and employs
Sabar.
Video kau tu depan lama. Hai, laju kan turun apa kau? Okay.
Dah.